Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's episode of the Healthy Swap, we are gonna do a healthy take on popsicles. Things that I as an adult love, but I also know this will be great if you have kids or even if you have nieces and nephews, got kids that come over to the house, this will be a great option for them. So today we're going to make a Pina Colada pop. And so you guys, we're going to get ready and we're gonna jog on into the kitchen and get these started. All right guys, welcome back to the kitchen and let's talk about some ingredients for the Pina Colada Pops. So what you need is 2 ingredients. 2 of them, that is it. You need crushed pineapple and Greek style yogurt in the flavor coconut, or if you're lucky in your area, sometimes they have Pina Colada Greek yogurt. And so today at my local store, I scored Pina Colada Greek yogurt. So that's what we're gonna use today so it'll enhance the flavor. And then you'll also need a blender, or if you have a food processor like a Magic Bullet or something like that, you can use that as well too. And then you need the ever so popular popsicle mold. These are fairly cheap, guys. And you can just find this on grocery aisle where they have kitchen utensils. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get this going so we can make some Pina Colada Pops. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and put our blender container on top. And we're gonna go ahead and first thing we're gonna do is drop in the Greek yogurt. Just make sure you're getting them all in. So the beautiful thing about using Greek yogurt, right, is it's low in cholesterol and it is also great health item for a substitute. Instead of eating ice cream, which has all the fat. Guys, I'm not saying to you that fat is bad. That's not what I'm saying, but you don't need to have a ton of it, okay? So we've got all that dumped in. Literally, guys, this is all you need. There's nothing else. If by chance though, you are an adult over 21 and you want to play a little bit and you're like, I'm gonna be healthy, but I wanna spike it up a little bit. You can take spiced rum or any type of rum and add it in here. Now don't go crazy, guys, because we still need it to freeze, but these will be like an adult popsicle in heaven. And that way you guys can actually kind of get that feel, put on your leg, put on your little Hawaiian shirt, and it'll escort you back. All right, so let's get this mixing. 2 types of things can happen with this. If you want some texture, you can leave some texture. If you want to completely blend it smooth, you can do that as well too. It's just depending on if you want to taste bits of pineapple in your popsicle. And I am one of those people, so it will not be completely smooth. We'll have a little bit of chunk left over. All right, guys, so let's get this turned on. And then we will go ahead and start this. All right, guys, so at this particular point, I'm gonna stop it. And the reason why I'm gonna stop it is because we wanna make sure that we get all the ingredients down off the sides that come up, because we wanna get it all mixed, okay? All right, guys, now that we have this all blended and it's ready to go, we are going to pour it into our mold. And so before we start pouring, what you want to do is make sure that you leave room at the top because these will expand. All right, guys, so let's pour. Whoop, whoop. Okay. I love sound effects, guys, so just know that in advance. This recipe will make 6 pops easy. Now, once we have that in there, we're gonna go ahead and use our little toppers. If you guys do not have these and yours doesn't come, you can always use the brown craft stick. That works too. And then for mine, we just wanna make sure they're snapped in. So, guys, this can either be a dessert, it can be a snack, it can be whichever one you want to. If you wanna make these for parties as guests, you could do that too. Like I told you guys, don't forget that trick with the spiced rum. Take you all the way back to the island Hawaiian kind of style. All right, guys, to the freezer 3 hours, or you can leave these in overnight. Then you pop them out, and then you have your meal ready to go. All right, guys, they are out of the freezer and they are ready to consume. I have a ton of people ready to eat these because we are having company and we have little kids. So I am so excited to go ahead and give them one, actually to keep them occupied. But we are here. Thanks so much, guys, for watching the Healthy Swap Pina Colada Pop Edition, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because those things matter and it kind of keeps the content coming of what you like and what you don't like.